Hello. Today we're going to learn about how new plants are made. We'll start with tiny seeds and see how they can grow into big plants. And we'll also learn about flowers and how they can even help make more seeds. Let's start with the seed. A seed is a small but amazing package. It contains a tiny, undeveloped plant inside and a little bit of food to help it get started. Think about it like a baby plant in a sleeping bag with its own lunchbox. When a seed gets the right conditions, it starts to grow. This process is called germination. It needs water to wake up the baby plant, warmth like a cozy blanket, and sometimes light to help it start making its own food. First, the root comes out, then the stem, and finally the leaves start to grow. Many plants have flowers. Flowers are not just beautiful, they're also important for making new seeds. They're the plant's special parts for reproduction. Flowers have male parts and female parts. The male parts include tiny grains called pollen, and the female parts hold tiny eggs. To make a new seed, pollen from the male part needs to move to the female part. This process is called pollination. Sometimes the wind carries the pollen, but often animals like bees, butterflies, and birds help. They visit the flowers to drink nectar and then carry the pollen with them to other flowers. After pollination, something amazing happens. The female part of the flower, called the ovary, starts growing bigger and it may become a fruit. Inside the fruit, the eggs become seeds. Fruits like apples, berries, and tomatoes help to protect the seed. To grow in new places, seeds need to travel away from the parent plant. This is called seed dispersal. Seeds can travel in many ways. First of all, like by the wind. Dandelion seeds float in the air to move to a new location. Sometimes animals, by sticking to their fur, are being eaten and then pooped out. The seeds are dispersed. Water, floating in rivers and oceans, can take the seeds to new locations. And explosions. Some seed pods burst open and throw the seeds out to new locations. So the plant life cycle goes like this. A seed grows into a plant, the plant makes flowers, the flowers make more seeds, and the seeds are dispersed and grow into new plants. And the cycle starts all over again. Plants have amazing ways to make sure new plants are growing all around the world. Thank you for watching.